you know that applying makeup and wearing nice clothes can be empowering?
Confidence. Self-respect.
Being unique. But after being in this world for so long, there will be still people who have something to say to you like,
Puro ka makeup. Hindi na magbabago yung pangit mong mukha.
Mag-makeup ka man o hindi, wala pa rin magbabago dyan.
Ayusin mo nga yung damit mo. Kaya ka nababastos eh.
Hindi ka ba nahiya sa katawan mo, ganyan pa sinusuot mo?
Kahit ilang dapat pa ng makeup yan, pangit ka pa din. Puro ka paganda.
puro makeup, wala naman laman utak. Makeup is used by women to boost their confidence.
The woman is getting ready to look presentable, not to express herself to the people around her.
The woman is putting makeup on herself, not to impress other people.